It's holiday season, a season of spending, buying gifts, family gatherings. Money makes holidays even more fun because you have the power to buy things that you like whenever you want. Did you know that there are companies that pay you weekly, sometimes multiple times a week, so you can make extra cash to spend during this holiday season? Hello guys, welcome back to me talk about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you legit companies that pay weekly via PayPal or Western Union. But before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to click the subscribe button for future videos. And don't worry, I won't spam you. I only post whenever I can, which is mostly twice a week. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. Number 1, Amazon MTAG. As you already know, Amazon is a legit company. You can work for Amazon MTAG and you'll be doing things like labeling product images, answering or clearing frequently asked questions, reaching out to certain organizations that work with Amazon, and many other things. Basically, you'll be working for Amazon sellers but under Amazon. By doing this job, you can get up to $100 to $150 per week. But of course, the more work you do, the better your status will be, and people with master status tend to get high-paying jobs. The tasks that you complete are called hits. In order to be successful with this job, you must also be familiar with something called user scripts. User scripts are scripts written by advanced Amazon MTAG workers to help you complete your hits much faster. These scripts help you decide which requesters to pick and which not to pick. Other MTAG workers will rate them, so you would know which one to pick and which one not to pick. Of course, you can get away with doing your hits without really using scripts, but they do help you. In order to get these scripts, you must download an extension such as Temper Monkey or Grease Monkey. This job may seem like it's not worth your time, especially in the beginning, because you won't be making that much. But there are people actually living off Amazon MTAG, so it can be a real job. Getting to that point is not easy, but it's not impossible. So if you want extra money, go ahead and try Amazon MTAG, but bear in mind that you won't be making a significant amount of money, but you will be earning something. If you decide to do this job, I highly recommend that you learn more about scripts, even though you don't have to, but it's gonna make your life much easier and you'll be getting high-paying jobs. Number 2, virtual assistant. Many of you already know what virtual assistants are, but what you don't know is the companies that pay you weekly. As a virtual assistant, you'll be answering calls, email, etc. And one of the companies that pay weekly is Virtual Girl Friday. This company has been around since 1998, so you know it's legit. They allow you to work remotely from the comfort of your home. You need administrative skills and they offer paid training. If this job matches your skill set, go ahead and apply, especially if you have done something like this before. You can make really good money just by doing something as simple as answering emails. Of course, there are other companies out there that pay weekly, but this one is the one that I know for sure that they are legit and they do pay. Number 3, crowd content. This particular job is for people who love and enjoy writing. Crowd content is a platform that hires writers to write different content for different clients. You write things like metadata descriptions, city pages, articles, etc. The good thing about crowd content is they pay twice a week, but you do need to reach at least $10 before they pay you via PayPal. If you don't meet the $10 threshold, that money that you already have, maybe you have $8, it rolls over to the next week. They have different articles you can choose from, and when you claim the article, they give you a certain time where you have to decide if you really want to take it, and if you do decide, then you must actually do it, because if you don't do it, there are strikes. There are 3 strikes that you can get. Firstly, if you decide to cancel the article after the deciding window is over. Secondly, if you miss the due date. And thirdly, if you miss the revision due date. Every time there's a new job, they notify you via email and you can decide if you want it or not. This company is very professional. If you're going to apply for the sake of money but you don't enjoy writing, I advise you not to apply, because if you're going to be claiming articles and you don't deliver, they may terminate your account. Or if you're going to be writing articles and you are not putting your heart into them, then they will notice and they may fire you. So don't just do this for the sake of money. Do it because you enjoy writing and money, of course. Number 4, study pool. We are all good in something, and study pool hires you to answer homework questions for different students in different subjects. When working for study pool, you are answering questions that are already there. Students come and they post different questions either for their homework or assignments. They get to choose their tutor and you'll be answering those questions. By working for study pool, you can get anywhere between $15 to $30 per hour, and they pay you weekly. That's the nice thing about them. You can have a flexible schedule, and honestly, you don't have to be smart to do this job. I don't know if it's only me, but I realized that when you get older, you get wiser. So even if it's something that you used to do in high school, maybe you're not getting it then, it may happen that now you actually understand it much better because you're older and wiser. When I say students, don't think about only high school students. There are university students as well who are asking questions. So you can be a tutor for different kinds of people depending on the subject that you choose. They have an application that you need to fill, and usually they reply within 3 days. They pay via PayPal, TransferWise, and Western Union. Number 5. Bryant Communication. This is a telemarketing company and you can work from home. For this job, you must have worked in a call center before. They pay $21 per hour and they pay weekly. Your job will be to make or answer calls, collecting data, or convincing people to sign up to things like insurance. You'll be one of those annoying people who call and ask random questions. But the good thing is, you'll be getting paid to annoy people. There are many other online jobs that pay weekly, but these are just some of them. And you can make decent money from this. If you need extra cash for holidays or even like a real job, then you should consider these jobs. If none of these jobs suit your interest but you want to make money, I suggest that you check my other videos and I'm sure you will find something because I share a lot of legit online jobs. That being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other question regarding these jobs, please comment down below and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Bye.